That's a really good take. How egoistic of people to name the framework FastAPI when it is not faster than. FastAPI is fastest among all the other Python frameworks, so not egoistic. Faster than other Python frameworks. Okay. It's not really fast, but it's faster than Django or Flask and more mature compared to faster Python packages frameworks. And it's fast enough for most things. If most of the time is spent processing the query, it doesn't really matter how fast the framework is. A good discussion. Very poor performance does not align with marketing. Independent tech empower benchmarks show FastAPI applications runs under Unicron as one of the fastest Python frameworks available, only below themselves. Used internally by FastAPI. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so taking the source you gave me, literally disregarding my own test, I can read the following. FastAPI 2%, Unicron, okay, which is very stark context with the README. Very high performance as per with Node and Go. Hey, are they comparing with Go and Node.js? Then AB is like, then it should be naming fastest Python API. Your point must be valid, but I think you might be oversimplifying your test here. Benchmarks are a tricky thing, but it's important to know that what is it that you point. FastAPI is asynchronous, so it can be as fast as Node, not an issue. Yeah, I don't really hate FastAPI. It's just, yeah, not really, but also not slow for a Python framework. Understand? Yeah, it looks like it's one of the fastest, a better framework for speed using asynchronous. So yeah, that's a good thing.